Friends, how are you? I am sure that all of you will be safe and sound at your home. My dear students, regarding our previous discussion, we have already discussed a lot of facts related with the poem titled as The Road Not Taken. During that very discussion, I have already provided you an exact explanation related with all the four stages on the basis of its verses. Today, I try my best to provide you the exact summary related with that very poem. So all of you minutely, carefully and seriously focus my today's video and follow me. Now summary of the story related with the poem like The Road Not Taken. In the poem The Road Not Taken, Robert Frost makes a fascinating use of two roads as a metaphor for life. The two roads stand for the choices we make in life. Frost combines rustic simplicity with hidden, indirect and implied meaning in the poem. The narrator comes upon a fork in a path or road in the woods. It is autumn and the leaves are turning color from green to yellow. He looks down on both paths as he is unsure which path he should take. He would like to take both, but that can't be. He looks down the paths as far as he can see and then decides to take the grassy path as it seems less worn or used than the other. But on further introspection, the paths appear the same. The fallen leaves on the paths seem fresh and walked on. The narrator reflects on how he plans to return someday in the future to take the road not taken, but suspects he probably would not be able to do so. Instead, he hopes in the future he would be able to share his experiences and the choices he took that changed his life for better or worse. My dear students, rest activities related with the chapter we have to start in our next discussion. Thanks a lot. God bless you and hope to see you again.